But before we get to all those wonderful guests, it's time for a little remodeling. Not here on the set, but in a kitchen. I recently stopped by a newly remodeled kitchen in the city of Buffalo, transformed by the experts at Artisan Kitchens and Baths. And they give you some great ideas of what you can do in your own home. When it comes to remodeling a kitchen, it sometimes seems like the options can be endless, but all that decision making is rewarded once the project is completed. Understanding how to take a kitchen from blah to beautiful, and most importantly, functional, is where Artisan Kitchens and Baths excel. Joining me now is Jennifer Hutton. Jennifer, great to see you.
Thank you very much.
Wow, is what I have to say. This place looks amazing.
It is. It's really amazing.
Well, let's talk about what we did here. We have some before photos to show in just a bit, but there's a lot of work done in this space, wasn't there?
There was. There were a few walls that we took out, opening up the space a little bit more. So there were 3 rooms initially. So now it's just one big, beautiful kitchen.
All right, we're going to look at this open space in a second. Let's start with the range, because when you told me this was a range and there's a range hood in here, I'm like, where? This is hidden very well.
It is. The hood is up underneath. It's a parametric hood, so it just sucks any of the heat and grease and dust that would be created from cooking right up into the cavity, so it's not obtrusive with a regular old hood.
It looks like a pretty place to work with a backsplasher. What is that material?
That is glass tile. It has an iridescent finish to it in a herringbone pattern, so it creates a really interesting look without being overwhelming in pattern.
One of the neat things too, the proximity to the sink, right? That's what anybody who cooks in a kitchen, right? Proximity sink to range is very important, isn't it?
It is. The work triangle here is great. It gives the homeowners a ton of space to prep and cook, and it's a fabulous work zone.
All right, and the countertops by the range and also on this massive, incredible island. What is this countertop?
This countertop is natural stone, so it's different than your neighbor's countertop. Every slab is unique, and it just works really well with the black and white cabinetry here.
What kind of care and maintenance is required with this countertop?
This particular top does need to be sealed just to keep it lustrous and beautiful, but outside of that, just soap and water to clean.
All right, and one of the great things about this island is there's plenty of storage. I mentioned the dishwasher is over there.
Yep.
There is a wine bar also on the other end.
On the other side, there is a wine bar, but probably my favorite part of the island is this pop-up outlet. So it's USB, it's outlets, you just pull it up and it's easy access when you're working from home, you're baking, right there in front of you.
How cool, that is awesome. That might be my favorite feature of the kitchen, and there's a lot of great features in this kitchen, and that just pops down, right?
Yep, just like that.
Wow, hidden like that.
Yep.
There is more. These appliances were against that old wall, weren't they?
They were, yeah. So we relocated quite a bit, moved everything around, and now it just works a lot better.
All right, and then we're going to head over here into the dining area. There's some great work done here. Tell me what you guys did over here.
So it's a little bit more open concept. We have our dining table right in the center. This area used to be a butler's pantry, so we wanted to keep some of that original feeling, and we had easy access, shallow cabinetry here. We have a glass window pane style bar set up, just kind of bringing both spaces together. Now
the concept, you guys obviously came in, had to have a vision, right? Homeowners want a new kitchen, but sometimes there's some things they're not thinking about. Probably, I'm imagining the homeowner here didn't think about taking walls out, did they?
You know, that's what we do. We provide them with the best idea and just kind of run with it from there, and you know, they're always happy, which is great.
Flooring also goes with it too, everything, lighting, all those things that go into it. This is just absolutely fantastic work. So people should, they're just thinking about a new kitchen, right? Come talk to you folks at Artisan Kitchens and Baths to see what the possibilities are. This is just incredible stuff. Jennifer, thank you for showing us around this latest great project you guys had.
Thank you very much.
Well, if you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen or bath, whether it's a small project or a large project, make sure you stop by Artisan Kitchens and Baths. Jennifer and the rest of the team can help make your dream kitchen or bath a reality. Their beautiful showroom is located at 200 Amherst Street in Buffalo. To find out more, you can head over to their website, which is artisankitchensandbaths.com, or give them a call, 873-4100.